Well, it was a most enjoyable lunch. Fabulous food. It wasn't lobsters, it was shrimp, but oh man, it was served on top of a very thin noodles with garlic, chopped garlic on top. Superb, delicious. So, thumbs up, good choices. We're gonna wander around, take a look at some of the shops, and report back to you. I know I saw an Apple store here, so I think that is of interest to people who are visiting and maybe they have some tech problem that they need solved. They lose their phone, they crack their phone. There's an Apple store right here, only about 5 minutes away from the convention or the exhibit hall. So let's take a look around the mall here. You know, and it's honestly, it's not much different than malls that we see all over the world. Clothing stores, things for kids, electronics, cosmetics, very modern, very clean, and you could probably buy anything with WeChat here, or credit cards, as I'm sure they're accepted. You know, the one thing that constantly surprises me, and this was evident since the second I got off the plane, despite Nanjing being a city with a population of excess of 9 million, I believe it is, it's just not that crowded. Okay, this, I don't know what's going on here, but fish galore. What is this like? Is this a play area for kids?
Yeah.
So I guess kids are playing with fish here. And then we've got the big carp over here that all seem really hungry. Hello. So do kids play with the carps too?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
What, do they just stick their hands in there and touch them and let them suck on their fingers? Stick your finger in one of their mouths. No. Oh, you know, look. So they feed them. I got that partially right. So they buy these baby bottles on the stick, and then they stick them in the water, and they basically feed the carp. That's super. I love that. That's so cool. And then magic sand that they can play with there and build whatever. Ha! I've never seen anything like that before. That's really cool. And so there are 4 levels to this particular mall here. Again, this is same kind of thing that you'd see just about anywhere in the world. Very convenient, very modern, and again, so close to the exhibit center. I actually see a tire and I see some cars down on the lower level, possibly a Tesla shop. So we're gonna take the escalator down, take a look. There's more women's fashion right over there. And we're not gonna spend any time really wandering around, but nothing surprising there. There's a shop down there that's similar to, you know, what we'd see at like a Gap or a Polo store. Oh, it's Lunda Polo. So there we go. Jewelry there. Cosmetics. Little mini market in there. Food court down here on the bottom. I just want to go over see what those cars were. Oh, it's a Volkswagen store. That's kind of unusual. Volkswagen ID store. Huh, interesting. I see shoes, I see yogurt over there. Okay. We're gonna walk back this way through the food court or past the food court where you can buy all kinds of meat on sticks. And apparently that store down there is the #1 milk tea store in China. Here is a kind of a Japanese character store. China gold over there. More jewelry. And we're headed back out towards the entrance of where we initially entered. And this is the final store I wanted to leave everybody with. and that is the Apple Store right here. Not too far away. That's it. See you soon.